Hi guys, it's Nikki, Creative Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to do the magic ring or the magic circle, however you want to call it. The magic circle is abbreviated MC, magic ring MR. It's the same thing. So let me show you how I do it. This is the easiest way how you can manage to do the magic ring. Very, very easy. Trust me. Just do it the way I do it. So you hold your yarn on your left hand. If you're right-handed, you hold it, wrap around, and make an X. Pretend you're making a slip knot. Now you're going to hold your X and you're going to pull your yarn through just like that. So watch. The X, the yarn that's on top, right, on that X right here, from the back, pull through. Make a little loop right there. Now you're going to hold that loop. Okay? And that you make a little smaller. You're going to insert your hook into that little loop. Still holding that loop. And now I'm going to put my fingers in there, into that loop. And I'm going to hold it. Okay? I'm going to pull my yarn a little bit so that it's nice and snug. And now I can do my magic ring. So let's say you're going to make some single crochets. You made a chain and just hold your yarn, okay? I'm just going to go through around the yarn. I'm creating single crochets. I'm still holding my loop all tight and I have my fingers in here. So it's not going anywhere. Very easy. And now you would pull your yarn right here, your end. Let's pull it and it'll close up right there. So let me do that one more time for you, okay? So it's easy to understand. And then I'll give you a little tiny tip. So again, hold your yarn like this, wrap it around and make an X. Hold that X, pull your yarn through like that and create a little loop. Hold that loop. Now take your yarn like you normally would and insert your fingers into that loop, having that string, that end on the left side right here. I'm still holding my little loop right here. I'm still holding it, inserting my hook, pull a little bit so it's nice and snug, and make your chain. If you make a single crochet circle, you make one chain. If you make double crochet, 2, or half double crochet, 1. If you make treble crochet, 3, double treble, 4. You know how to do that, right? So now you made one chain. Now go into that loop right here that you created and doing your single crochets right into it. So once you have your accomplished number, you pull your string. Let me give you a small tip. If you want to make a, let's say, a hat, okay, and you want to make sure that your circle doesn't do some kind of bending or wobbly situation, you need to make sure that you have 6 to 8 single crochets in that loop. Okay, if you have double crochets, it needs to be 10 to 12. Okay, so keep that in mind. Therefore, half double crochet would be 8 to 10, depending on how your tension is. Once you have your accomplished number, let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 2 more. Then I have 6. 6 single crochets, pretty good. We said 6 to 8. Then I can pull my loop closed. All you have to do is keep it closed. That's all. You just pull here. And then you keep on going. Alright, I hope this video was helpful on how to do a magic ring or a magic circle. Please like, comment, and share on this video, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.